Model, 67-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCi 155PS 350 L3H3 Trend DCIV twin-wheeler factory minibus ULEZ ideal camper conversion bargain. Body, blue, minibus. Mileage, 86,019. Engine, 2,198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI HDT. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash. This starts and drives like new grin. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: reversing camera, air con, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £19,295. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us